Check. He might.
Yeah, but you weren't under it last time.
Should I keep my camera on, Mom? Where is it coming?
I don't see him right now. Right on us. In the clouds? Yeah, I lost him.
Where is he?
Right in between those kind of openings, like in that long cloud. Towards the top of it now.
Toward the top of it.
See him right
Straight out
right
here,
into blue
right here.
part. Just came out of the cloud.
Yeah,
He's
he's
in the
just
blue
out
part.
in the blue now. He's coming straight. He's straight over us, Tori. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Look, can't you see that? That dark spot right there? Straight ahead.
Let's keep my camera still. I can't see.
Yeah, I know, it's harder. Alright, can you see the light?
Nope.
You can see the light now.
Is it a big plane?
You can't tell.
Must be a big plane. Oh, now I see him.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, now I see him. Took me a long time to see him. That's a big plane. If I couldn't see him that long. Must be low. He's going cockeyed. Oh, he's sure going cockeyed. Oh my. This would be epic, Mom.
It's Delta.
Are you recording it, Mom? Just in case I don't get it. Oh, whoa.